Hello guys, this is Hunter. In the previous tutorials, we worked on our account repository class. It seems like we are done with it now. We were able to implement all these methods. We were able to implement the authentication, account deposit, print data, like this, and withdrawal, but we were not able to implement the account balance. But to do this, I'm just gonna copy this print data, this one. I'm just gonna print this. Okay, I'm just gonna take this and put it here. Okay, paste it here, and then I need to write this has to be a void method. Okay, yeah. It will print out the same information. It will get the balance and it will get the account information. You just need to print out this information in the console. This is what you're doing, just getting the balance, the current balance. Okay, now we are done with this class. Let us focus on the menu of the system now. Okay, I am gonna be creating the menu in the main method, or in the in the main class. Okay, not in the main method. I'm just gonna create two methods here. I'm just gonna create a private class method that is going to be of type, it's not gonna return anything, and it's gonna be the login menu. The other one that I am going to create will be the main menu, like so. Okay, like this. Okay, main menu, like this. Okay, I am going to use the scanner class for this. Okay, to accept any user input that I am going to need. Okay, for example, it could be the PIN number, the amount. I'm just gonna accept any user input from using this scanner class. I'm just gonna create another variable, private static. Let's make all these things static, because we have to use this variable within a static method. So otherwise Java is gonna complain. It's gonna be of type account. Okay, account ACC, like so. For now, let's initialize it to null. Okay, this object to null. Okay, let's work on our main login menu, like so. So in our login menu, I'm going to use, so our project is not going to terminate when the user has entered the wrong PIN. Okay, it will loop again and requires the user to enter the PIN again. Okay, and to do that, let's just use a do while loop. Okay, let's use a do while loop, like so, and through, like this. This is how we use a do while loop. And then within our do while loop, let's ask the user system dot out dot print like this, enter your account PIN. Okay, like this, enter your account PIN, like this. Okay, after entering your account, it's printing out the statement of the code. So let's accept the account PIN. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We're going to say int PIN equals to sc.nextInt, like this. Okay, we have accepted the user input, and then we can take this instance. Okay, this account equals to, we're going to assign it to the authenticate method, which is in the account repository class. Okay, account repository dot authenticate the PIN. Okay, mind you, why am I saying this? This method returns an object of account. It will return either null or it will return an object. That is why here we are assigning this object to this. If the pin is wrong, then this account will be null. This object will be null. Okay, but if the pin is correct, okay, the object will be assigned to this. The data that will be retrieved will be assigned to this. Okay, having done this, we can now we have our account. Okay, we can now check if this is null. ACC is not null. If it's not null, then we can do something else. We can do something again. Okay, system.out.println account pin account not found, not found, like this. Okay, okay, so like this. And then here, if account is not null, then we're gonna bring in our main menu like this. Bring in the main menu like this, and then boom. Or let's just see. Copy this. Okay, call main menu here. Call main menu like so. So can we try it? Let's try it. Copy this and call it in your main method. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's run it. Run this as a Java application, and then save it and run it. Enter account pin. Let's say I enter this. Okay, account not found. Enter account pin. You see that the program doesn't terminate. It'll keep on asking me to enter the account pin. Okay, and then if I enter the correct one, what happens? Call main menu. Okay, so when we call our main menu, it should not call this enter account pin to call the main menu. So let's implement our call main menu. Okay, let's go back and then paste this here. Okay, okay, and then in our main menu, we're also gonna use the do while loop here. Okay, gonna use a do while loop here. In our do while loop, what are we gonna do here? The first thing that we must do in our main menu is to give someone an introduction dot println welcome to Codebase Bank. Okay, just like this. Okay, yeah. If and then after doing this, we need to, what else do we need to do? We need to accept the user's input. Okay, so let me just skip a line. System.out.println, oops, sorry, system.out.println, please select, okay, choose from menu below. Okay, let me do this within the while loop so that every time when we print the menu, the statement is printed out. Okay, so when we run it, let's see, enter the correct pin. Oh, it's looping, it's infinite, right? choose from menu below. Okay, so it's okay. We'll find a way of escaping from this loop. We'll find a way. So I am going to use a choice. I'm going to declare here what is called an int choice. Okay, this choice is going to be equals to sc dot next int, like this. Okay, and then within here we're gonna use a switch statement. Switch like this. What are we switching? We are switching our choice like this. Okay, and then case 1. Okay, break from this case. Okay, case 2. Okay, break from this case. Okay, case 3. Then break from this case. Default break. Okay, so yeah, so which menu are we talking about here? Choose from menu below. If I create, let me create a menu. Okay, like this. If I want post it like this, then 2 withdraw like this. Copy this, paste it. Okay, let's keep a line at least once, and then once, and then logout. Okay, 3, and then 4. Okay, how many cases do we have? We have 4. We calculate the fourth one, and then like so. This will be the fourth, like this. Okay, and the first choice, we are saying that we are going to be depositing. To deposit, we will just call this account repository. Okay, the account repository dot account deposit. Okay, just like this. Okay, the second one will be withdrawal dot withdraw, like so. Okay, the fifth one will be balance, and the third one, I meant to say, dot account deposit withdraw. Okay, let's see. Let's check our balance. Oh, let's make this method a class method. Again, you have to create account of it when we call it a site dot balance. Okay, then here we're gonna be calling our login menu, not again. We're gonna be calling this main menu here. Okay, just like this. And then in our default case, that's the system dot out dot println choice from the menu, like this. Okay, so when we run it, enter the correct pin. Welcome to Codebase. Okay, so it doesn't print out choose from menu, so it doesn't print out choose from menu, or perhaps I should just declare this within, or after, like this. Yeah, we make it like this and then run it again. Enter choice 1 2 3 4. And the menu is not showing up. Oh, the menu is not showing up, guys. Enter choose from menu. Wait, what is this choice? Oh, okay. Let's print this choice after this menu, like this. Yes, like this. It should work now. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Yes. Okay, choose from menu above. Oh, below. Okay, below. Yeah, below. And then we can skip a line a little bit so that it looks a little bit nice. Like this. Then let's run it again. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now come to Codebase Bank, choose from menu above, below. Okay, and then what if I press 4? Does it log me out? Okay, it does. Enter your account pin, 1111. Okay, and then what if I want to deposit? Oh, 1. Oh, okay, and then balance. Okay, it prints out the mini statement. Okay, and then enter the amount to deposit. Okay, and then after entering the amount to deposit, let's say for 400. Okay, 400. It then printed out the mini statement after. Okay, enter amount to deposit 400, successfully deposited amount 400, and then it printed out this mini statement to say this is the current balance. Before it was 390, then we deposited 400, and this looks good. For now. Then it asks me to choose from menu after deposit. Let's withdraw. Let's say 2. Okay, and then it says print out the mini statement before we can withdraw to say you've got 790. Enter amount to withdraw. Let's say we want to withdraw 890. Okay, it says you are trying to withdraw more than what you have in your account, so the withdrawal was unsuccessful. The balance is still 750, so let's go with the withdrawal again. Okay, enter amount to withdraw. Let's withdraw 600. Okay, and then cash withdrawal successful. 600 was withdrawn from my account. This is the current account and this is the balance now. Okay, and let's go with the balance part. Right. Okay, so it says this is the current balance, current account information. It just prints out the same statement that it was. Okay, and then for enter account pin, so it logged me out of the system. I think this looks good. Okay, I think this looks good for now. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorial. I'll find a ways of optimizing it and trying to come up with some new innovative way to style it, to put in some other functionality in it. Okay, for academics purpose, this is good. This looks good. You're able to play around with loops. You're able to play around with methods, how to create methods, how to create just a very simple application. Guys, come on, guys. This is if you've been following us on this tutorial, you should be able to to create mini projects after this project. So, okay, I'll see in the next tutorial. I'll try to find other ways of improving it. If you see any error or any problem within this application, please let me know, comment, subscribe, share the video. The link to this project will be in the video on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.